Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know from the title that today I'm going to show you 15 liquid matte lipsticks which comes under rupees 800, and I will be showing you all the swatches on my bare skin because I'm not wearing any makeup today, and it is shot in natural sunlight also, so it will be very convenient for you to understand if you are of my skin tone that which color looks what on you. And I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So if you want to know more about all these lipsticks, you have to just keep on watching. This is the Maybelline Sensational Red. The shade is 03. It's a lovely bright red color with orange undertone in it, and you can see how beautiful a bare face can even look with this lip shade. This is Lakme Forever Matte. The name of the shade is Mauve Party. This is a beautiful nude color. I really love this color because it suits my dusky skin tone, and as it is shot in the natural sunlight, you will also understand that is it suitable for you or not. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Lip Color. The name of the shade is Firestarter Red. It is a very lovely red color with little bit of orange undertone mixed with it, and if you are of my skin tone, it's going to look great on you. This is one of my favorite matte lipstick. This is Darling Isabella's Duchess Brown. It's a beautiful pinkish brown nude color, and this is going to suit each and every skin tone. I am in love with this shade, guys. It is really very beautiful. This is Blue Heaven's Elegance Matte Lip Color shade number 01. If you are someone who is looking for affordable red color lipstick, you can definitely go for it. It is also pretty good. This lipstick is from purple.com. It's of Nybae's Shakti, and the shade number is 2. This is also a lovely brown nude color, and it is suitable for each and every skin tone, and it's suitable for dusky skin tone obviously. This is a Wet n Wild Nice to Fuchsia lip shade. It is a very bright pink color. It has a bit purple undertone in it, as you can see, and my lips are a little bit chapped. For that, please don't mind. And this is also a beautiful shade. This is Nykaa's Matte to Last lipstick, if I'm not wrong, and the shade is very well known. This is 18 Chai. It is supposed to be a very deep brown color for fair skin tone, but if you are of my skin tone, then this lipstick is going to look exactly like this on you. This is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. The shade is, the shade is Montecarlo. This lipstick is very comfortable to wear. It has a very creamy texture, and it is a brownish red color, as you can see. If you are of my skin tone, then it's going to look exactly like this on you. This is again a lipstick from NYX, and the shade number of this is LIPLI 12. This is a beautiful pinkish nude color, as you can see. I just love this color. It is one of my favorite lipstick. This is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream. The shade number is 64. This lipstick is also very comfortable to wear. It is a deep maroonish red color. It has a creamy texture. It will give you a little bit of a glossy finish. This lipstick is again from purple.com. This is Stay Quirky's I Woke Up Like This shade, and this is such a beautiful color, guys. You must have it. This is how exactly it looks on me. It is a very pretty color for each and every skin tone, and especially for dusky skin tone girls. This lipstick is again from purple.com. It is of amsterDAMN, and the shade is Pink Tulip. Now this lipstick is a very bright pink color, as you can see, and if you put little bit of makeup and wear this, this is going to pop up very nicely. This lipstick is from Sugar and the shade is 06 Taffeta Terracotta. This is also a very nice brown nude color with a pink undertone in it, and it is going to suit each and every skin tone. The last lipstick of the day is from Nybae Shakti and the shade number is 5. As you can see, again is from purple.com. This is also a beautiful red color with orange undertone in it, and it makes you look really very beautiful. So guys, if you have loved this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, tata, God bless, bye bye.